At BetterBuiltPC.net, we can custom build any computer from a $299 basic internet PC to sky's the limit. All our computers are custom built, new, nothing refurbished. This is our $299 basic entry-level internet PC, 80 gig hard drive, 256 megs of DDR memory, Windows XP Home installed, fast Sony CD burner, ASUS motherboard, Celeron processor, 2.8 gigahertz. Like I say, operating system installed, Windows XP Home, 6 USB ports, integrated audio and video, 80 gig hard drive, Celeron processor, 256 DDR memory. $299 basic entry-level internet PC, built-in LAN, meaning it's cable and DSL ready. It does not have a dial-up modem. We can add a dial-up modem for $20. Go to BetterBuiltPC.net, www.BetterBuiltPC.net, and check out our $299 entry-level PC. Or we can custom build anything, sky's the limit, gaming rigs, servers, workstations, you name it. Thank you.